Hi, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe it is rhubarb muffins. It is so delicious when it just came out of the oven, but also good at room temperature. And it's almost like crumb cakes, but it's not really crumb cakes. Well, it is maybe crumb cakes as well. The top is almost like sugar cookies. It's just awesome. Check out the full video and see you soon again. Bye! For the dry ingredients, this is 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 3/4 cups of sugar, a super generous pinch of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We're just gonna mix this in a bowl until completely combined. Well, for the wet ingredients, this is 1 cup of 35% whipping cream. Heavy cream, you can use regular milk just fine, but I have heavy cream that I have to use up. And 1 whole egg as well. 1/3 cup of extra light tasting olive oil. If you don't have it, you can use vegetable oil. And we're gonna mix this with our balloon whisk until completely combined. Make a well in center and pour your wet ingredients into dry ingredients and mix it until moisten. Now fold in 1 cup of fresh rhubarb, frozen rhubarb straight from the freezer, or frozen rhubarb that is thawed. So just fold it. Divide batter into 6 equal muffins. This is a bigger or giant muffins. If you want to use, no, not giant, but bigger muffins. If you want to use regular size, it will make about a dozen muffins at least. We're gonna top the muffin with super generous sugar because rhubarb is sour, and the batter itself or the dough does not use a lot of sugar. We want to top the muffin with extra sugar, so it will give extra sweetness. Like so. Now we're gonna bake it on preheated 350 Fahrenheit convection oven for 20 minutes at least until it's nicely baked.